Overview Lecture, Powerplant Pistons. In the AGK exam, Aircraft General Knowledge, at ATPL level, there are 80 questions over 2 hours. The exam topics include design, airframe, hydraulics, landing gear, flight controls, pneumatics and air conditioning, anti-icing, fuel, electrics, piston engines, turbines, fire and smoke, and oxygen. Introduction. Piston engines take power from fuel, converting it to reciprocating motion and then into rotary motion via a crankshaft to turn a propeller. Piston engines are classified by their cooling method, cylinder arrangement, number of cylinders, whether they are normally aspirated, supercharged or turbocharged. Most are 4-stroke cycles, but 2-stroke cycle engines do exist. Terminology. TDC refers to top dead center, when the piston is at its highest point. BDC refers to bottom dead center. Bore is the diameter of a cylinder. Stroke is the distance from top dead center to bottom dead center. Swept volume is the length of the stroke multiplied by the piston crown area. Engine capacity is swept volume multiplied by the number of cylinders. Total volume is the volume of the cylinder above bottom dead center. Clearance volume is the volume remaining above the piston at top dead center. Compression ratio can be described as total volume over clearance volume, or swept volume plus clearance volume over clearance volume. Multi-cylinder engine displacement equals piston area multiplied by piston stroke multiplied by the number of cylinders. Brake horsepower is the power available at the crankshaft. There's a formula for it, which is 2 pi torque multiplied by RPM over 33,000. It's measured using a friction brake clamped to the prop shaft.